Okay, I just want to do a quick video update of my progress on the 78. Got all the pieces, well not all the pieces, but most of them back on there just to have a look. Give me some inspiration for the next step, which is final body work. And so yeah, I just wanted to capture this. So the door gaps are about as good as I can get them. They're not perfect, but this car is old. And I didn't want to spend too much time. It's not going to be a trailer queen, but you know, it's not bad for gaps. The hood and the bumper still need some work. I spent many hours on both the doors, fenders, and the hood and the front end, but it's coming. Yeah, see, there's this issue here, and it looks like maybe this whole front end has been hit or dropped or something, because this, I've got a new one and it doesn't fit in there, and this got broken when somebody tried to remove it. I don't think I broke it. I think it was broken when I got it. But so something up here, it probably got dropped on this side, or maybe it got hit. There was no damage to the fender, but maybe this is an after, like a fender from another car or something. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, yeah, the gaps in the hood turned out pretty decent, actually. I found the trick to do in the hood. There's some bolts, some little screws actually, that if you look in there, you can kind of, you might not be able to see them with this camera, but I've added some. See that one there? I added that one to bring the hood up, because right here it was low, and it's just a piece of rubber bolted to a piece of fiberglass, so it doesn't take much to move it. And I had some dips here. I still have a little bit, but there was a bit of a dip there. You can still see it, but I corrected it huge by putting in another screw there, pulling it up, and then screwing it down. But yeah, that turned out pretty good. And you know, the gaps are pretty tight on the hood, but not bad. And I've repaired both the fenders on the bottoms, replaced a bunch of metal. Got video of that. Well, pictures anyway. Yeah, so this door gap, well, has a little to be desired. It's a little big, but yeah, it's gonna have to be good enough, because I'm not messing with it anymore. And of course I replaced both left and right inner outer quarters and trunk drop-offs, because they were rotten, but that's all good now. There's no rust left on this car. It's should be a good driver. Anyway.